13 Easy Knitted Duster Cardigan Patterns. Knit an elegant long-line look with this beginner-friendly waffle stitch cardigan. Knit a sleek top-down raglan cardigan with this advanced beginner pattern. This earthy chic cardigan pattern features airy vine lace and flowy straight sleeves. This fully detailed 14-page guide features a relaxed drop shoulder coat design. This beginner-friendly kit features a loose, oversized sweater design that is perfect for all body types. Create your new favorite oversized sweater with this big, cozy neat. Designed for standard gauge knitting machines, this seamed long cardigan features a flattering lace shawl collar. Knit an elegant floor-length coat featuring a delicate lace texture. Knit a cozy long-line silhouette with this intermediate-level pattern. Knit a charming textured cardigan featuring a unique sprout stitch pattern. Designed for beginners, this oversized cardigan features a soft drape and practical pockets. Knit an ultra-modern slouchy cardigan with this straightforward pattern. Knit a trendy, super chunky long-line cardigan with this easy-to-follow beginner pattern. Find all these patterns and more on theknitcrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.